Hi there! Welcome to my class. I am Teacher May. Let's say it together. Teacher May. Very good. I am 24 years old and I live from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I took Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Teaching English is my passion because I love helping students to speak confidently and enjoy every lesson. In my class, learning is fun, friendly, and comfortable. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help us grow. If you're looking for a teacher who is energetic, cheerful, and patient, then I got you. Let's make our lesson fun and enjoyable while we are learning. I am excited to meet you very soon. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.